Hello?
Hello, Chanel Come downstairs.
I don't want. I want to sleep.
Just come down now, faster, faster.
Go where?
Bring go eat nice one, steady. Really.
Really? Must you? So early?
Faster, I'm waiting for you, Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
2 hours later.
Good morning.
Why you wake me up so early on my off day but never tell me where?
Okay, take a look at this.
Proper preparation is the key to success.
Yes, we're going to prepare our car for a road trip to Malaysia.
Huh? Malaysia?
Let's go. Get ready for an epic adventure.
As we take you on a journey through 7 incredible states in Malaysia.
Join Kai Ling
And Chanel,
on a trip filled with non-stop fun.
thrills and laughter.
Welcome to the Great Malaysia Road Trip.
Kai Ling, where are we?
We are at YHI, so today we are going to change a new set of rims and tyres to go up north to Malaysia. Let's go!
Wow, this rim looks really good.
This is a good choice. It's from Avanti Racing. It's one of our lightweight flow-form wheels. And I see that you are driving a sports car. We do have staggered specs available for you. So if you are interested, I can install right away for you.
Oh yeah, we are heading up north to Malaysia. So do you have any tyres to recommend?
Yep, I have the right tyre for you. Okay, so since you are driving a Continental sports car, right, I would recommend me the Advanced series, which is the V701, as it excels in wet and dry conditions. This nano blend compound combines wear resistance and high fluid efficiency polymers with silica to combine dry and wet traction with long life and efficiency. The 2-in-1 contrasting pitch of the tread pattern works to reduce noise for a quiet ride, in addition to increase pattern stability for improved performance. Drop point grooves in the intermediate ribs evacuate water to the jagged circumferential grooves, helping to resist hydroplaning and improve stopping distance in wet conditions. It's designed to evenly distribute pressure across the contact patch to optimize handling and braking traction, in addition to improve steering stability at high speeds, and it has sizes available for your staggered option, which you just install the rim over there.
Can we see how it's done?
Sure, let's go.
Yeah.
So I heard that you guys want to know how it's done, right? So before we mount the wheels onto the car itself, okay, we have to mount the tires onto the rim. Okay, I have a tire machine over there. So that's whereby you mount the tires onto the rim itself, then followed by bringing it over to the balancing machine, okay, whereby we get the wheels balanced.
That looks tough.
Okay, so now we will be mounting the wheels onto the car. That is a bit far more simpler than previously. Okay, the first, you need to put in the nut on the first hole, try to align it, bring the wheels up to the hub, then screw it in. Then the rest of the nut, we have stored it in the star-shaped pattern. Using a torque wrench in the same pattern, tighten all the nuts. Okay, that will be all.
That sounds pretty easy.
I don't think so. This type of things normally I give the guys to do.
But not today. Your director wants you to install the wheels. Okay guys, are you ready?
I think so. I've never changed the car tire before.
Well, I try my best, man. I don't know about this.
Okay. So who will go first?
Scissors, paper, stone?
Okay.
Scissors, paper, stone.
Okay, your time starts now.
Mission start!
Wow, this... Wait. I need a line, right? Okay, I got this. Okay. Nó会动的。Okay. 哦 ，OK， 我这边顶住，然后 align， 然后转。 Okay, I got this. This is star shape, so here. Then this side. Last one. So hot. It's okay. What's this? 要转到没有声音。不是有那个枪的咩？不可以用啊！我要投诉。你可以看紧了吗？ Evidently, it's not done yet. I thought I screwed it tight enough already, but apparently the screw is still loose. So the next time you come to a car workshop like this, always remember to thank your mechanic. 紧了，他讲紧了。Okay, next. 这样子就还没有紧对吗 I'm sweating. I thought I tightened this already. It's never ending. Okay, this is tight. 2 more. This is tight. 还要再下去啊！哇 It's me being a little bit. 可以吗？还没有。Tissue. I'm just kidding. Okay, I got the thumbs up. Okay, this is done. Okay, I'm done. I think it's something that everybody should try, so you can really appreciate the mechanics' hard work. But I do also know that they have the gun thing, so it's pretty fun to change a car tire, and I hope my time is good enough. So over to you, Kai Ling.
Chanel has done her part. Do you think you can do better than her?
Wow, I don't think so, man.
Still must do better than her.
Wow,
Okay.
I try my best.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, your
Let's
time
go.
start now.
Mission start.
Okay, I need help. Wow, how am I so heavy? I think I haven't had a good lunch just now. No strength. I want to die really. I can't talk. Can somebody help me? Please. Please. I don't know, man. I only know I'm sweating. I'm so tired. I want to give up already. Oh my god. Whose BMW is this? Not all hero wear kicks. This one my hero already. 帅哥，你帮我弄到完吗，帅哥？Oh my god. This is so tiring. I think I burned 1,000 calories already. Oh, this one check out. This is so tough. I'm sweating. Done.
Okay, your timing is quite close, about 6 seconds apart. Okay. Okay. The first to complete is 8 minutes 58 seconds, and it's Chanel. Okay. For you guys, it's 9 minutes 4 seconds. I think both of you guys did a really good job. Okay. Do you have anything to share about your experience today?
Honestly, after today, even though most of the time I ride a motorcycle, I really appreciate the mechanics work, and the next time you need to change a tire, you know where to go. This is the place to go.
Yeah. For me, actually, I'm too short to talk. It was so heavy for me, but you know, a lot of times we need to give thanks to the mechanics as well. So let's give thanks to all mechanics for their hard work into our cars and machines and everything. Yeah. So thank you, HI, for the help today.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Alright, now we're ready to go to Malaysia.
Yes, but before we go there, you need a few essentials before you go to the custom. Do you know what's the essentials?
Passport.
Okay.
And
Cash
then?
card.
Cash card, oh yeah.
And
Touch
of
and
course,
go.
the touch and go. Yes, yes, yes. And a water bottle, just in case you're thirsty during the jam.
Money.
That's important. Ringgit. Remember to bring ringgit.
Okay. What else?
Snacks, in case you're hungry. Sometimes a jam can take 3 hours, 4
And
hours. And of
water.
course, your data roaming.
Oh yeah. Right,
Go to
right.
Netflix while you drive.
Netflix.
Alright, the jam. Wow, this is very important, man.
Okay.
And don't forget your
Travel insurance with DirectAsia.
Okay, now we confirm plus chop ready for the road trip already. See you guys in the next episode of the
Great Malaysia Road Trip as we begin our journey up north.
Yes. See you.
Motorist.